Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix session expired on Facebook problem. So let's say you open up the Facebook application and you got the error that session is expired. So what you have to do is you have to tap and hold on your Facebook icon here and then simply go for this app info. And once you are here, you have to go for this storage and cache. You just simply have to tap on this clear cache and then tap on this clear storage. Just simply tap on this delete. After doing this, you have to go back and open up the Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search for the Facebook application. So if you see the update button here, you have to make sure to update it to the latest version if there is any update. After updating or clearing the data, your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.